Hi, my name is Dr. Nycole Vallarelli, and I have a Bachelor of Science in Animal Science from the University of Findlay in Ohio. From there, I attended Lincoln Memorial University College of Veterinary Medicine, where I got my Doctor of Veterinary Medicine and my Master of Business Administration degrees. I am currently a small animal general practitioner working in Honolulu, Hawaii, but I have a wide range of experiences working all over the United States, all the way from specialty hospitals to emergency medicine, mixed animal practices, and even spent some time working in the research department at the Cleveland Zoo. While I was in veterinary school, I was the vice president of the Veterinary Business Management Association and the head of social media for the student AVMA chapter at LMU. Thanks to the connections that I made within these clubs, I was able to become the student representative for Elanco Animal Health and Total Planning Veterinary Services, both of which gave me the opportunity to network with veterinary professionals and share resources with all of my fellow classmates. I would consider the key to success in veterinary school to be kind to yourself and remember that you are way more than just your career. It's really easy in vet school to fall into the trap of isolating yourself and only focusing on accomplishments, but you need to remember that at the end of the day, you are human and there's so much more to you than just being a vet student or a veterinarian or a specialist. Being successful is really about being happy and fulfilled, and that's what I'm here to remind you of. What sets me apart is my experience working in so many different clinics all across the country. I've had the opportunity to meet students from all different vet schools, work with a bunch of different specialists and leaders within the profession, so I feel really confident with my ability to connect with others and also help highlight the range of experiences and opportunities that there are for my students based on what they want for their future. My greatest strength as a consultant is being down to earth and approachable. My goal is really to get to know who you are as a person and bring out your strengths, help you feel confident with who you are, and highlight all of the soft skills that you have that are much bigger than just test scores and GPA. I'm passionate about helping students because I've had so many wonderful mentors in my life, but at the same time, I've also had a lot of people that have tried to be negative or discourage me, and I really want to make sure that I am that positive light for students and help them follow the guidance of somebody who wants them to succeed and wants them to be successful in whatever they want, no matter what it is, while also remembering that they're the next generation of veterinarians and hopefully that they pass the torch one day and help other students follow their dreams as well.